What is up guys, Stan at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Evernote to your n8n. So first you need to head over to your n8n's website and then you need to log in with your account credentials and then you need to click on this plus icon and then type for send email. Select send email and then click on send an email. After that, you just simply need to enter the from and to email. In the from email, you just simply need to enter the mail that you are using, and in the to email, you just simply need to enter the mail from the Evernote. So head over to your Evernote, log in with your account credentials, and then head over to your account summary. You go to the account summary, you need to click on your profile here on the left side at the top, and then you will be able to access your profile from here. You just simply need to copy this particular email at the top, and after copying this, you just simply need to paste it here at the n8n in the to email section. After that, you need to click on select credential and then create new credential. And then in the user section, you again need to write your email address that you are using. As you can see, I am here in my Google account's app passwords. You can access this by just typing my account.google.com/app passwords. From here, I'll create my new app name, and after that, I'll click on create. After clicking on create, this will generate a new app password for me. I'll just simply copy it and then I will paste it here in the password section of n8n. From here, I will just type in the host. In the host section, you just simply need to type in smtp.gmail.com. The port is 465, and then here you need to enter that particular password that you just copied, and then you need to click on save to save all the details. As you can see, the credential has been successfully created and the connection has been tested successfully. Now in the subject line, you just simply need to write XYZ, and here you are done connecting to the n8n with the Evernote. Click on execute step to execute this particular step. And as you can see, this workflow has been executed. Currently, there is nothing that I have written in Evernote. That's why it's showing an empty array. But your n8n has been connected with your Evernote. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.